Hello friends, this is Bindu Kumar here. Let's solve this question together. Which term of the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Okay, so they have given us an arithmetic progression and the list of numbers are 3, 8, 13 and 18. In this arithmetic progression, we have to see where does 78 come in? What is the term? In other words, what is the value of n? Okay, so how do we solve this? First, we will write the list of numbers. We have 3, 8, 13, 18. Okay, now let's read the question again. It says, which term of the arithmetic progression is 78? Right? So what they're saying is, somewhere in this list, we have 78. Now here, if you see, the position of 3 is 1. The position of 8 is 2. This is 3, this is 4, and so on. Right? So this is 3 is the first term, 8 is the second term of the arithmetic progression, 13 is the third term, 18 is the fourth term, and so on. Similarly, we have to find what is the term of 78. Right? That is what we have to find out. Now for this, let's first write down the formula for an arithmetic progression. Right? So a set of numbers A1, A2, A3 and A4 is said to be in arithmetic progression if they are of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Okay, and we also have the value of D, which is the common difference, equal to A of n plus 1 minus A of n. For example, D equals A3 minus A2. This also equals A2 minus A1. Okay, now how do we, what is the formula for finding the nth term? The nth term can be found by A of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, now let's apply this formula here. So first we will write down A of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now it is given that A of n is 78, right? So we can write 78. The value of A is given as 3. So we can write 3 plus the value of n is unknown, right? That is what we have to find out. We don't know the value of n. So we'll write it as n only, right? And then we have to find the value of D. So D is unknown, but we can find with the help of this formula here. Right? So let's calculate D on this side. So we'll write D equals say A3 minus A2. So here the value of A3 is 13 and the value of A2 is 8. So 13 minus 8, we get 5. Now just to be sure that this is the right value, I'll calculate D again, but this time it will be for A4 minus A3 and I should get the same value. So let's see, 18 minus 13, which also gives me 5. So with this we can say that the common difference D equal to 5. Now let's apply this in the first equation. 78 equals 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. 78 equals 3 plus 5n minus 5. Okay, so how did I get it? 5 into n equal to 5n, 5 into minus 1 equal to minus 5. So now I will keep numbers on one side and all the alphabets on one side. So what we'll do, we will write 78 equals 3 plus 5n minus 5. Now here I want to remove minus 5. So what I'll do, I will write plus 5, and whatever I do on the right side of the equation, I'll repeat on the left side of the equation. Similarly, I want to remove the plus 3 here. So I'll write a minus 3 here. That same I'll repeat here also. Okay. So now the equation is balanced. From this, we can see that -5 and +5 would cancel out each other. 3 and -3 will cancel out each other. Okay, so what we are left with is 78 plus 5 minus 3 equals 5n. Okay, now let's simplify this. So we get 78, 5 minus 3 is 2 equals 5n. 78 plus 2 is 80 equals 5n. Now we want to find the value of n, right? But we have 5 with it. So what we will do? We will divide by 5. Right? Now whatever we do on the right hand side, we will repeat on the left hand side. So 5 and 5 cancel out each other. We have 5 into 1 and 5 into 1 again. We have 3, so we have 16. Right? So let me just be sure. I'll see 5 into 16 equal to 80. So we have 5 into 6 equal to 30. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So with this we can say n equal to 16. So with this we can say the term of this arithmetic progression where the value is 78 is 16. Okay. All right. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Remember to like, subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified of new videos.